In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drawing in Google Docs with just a few easy steps. This feature can be particularly useful for adding visual elements or custom illustrations to your documents without needing to leave the Google Docs environment. To get started, open Google Docs and navigate to the document where you want to add a drawing. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for the Insert option. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu filled with all sorts of options that you can incorporate into your document to enrich your content. From here, you'll want to select Drawing to begin creating your custom drawing element. Once you've clicked on Drawing, the next step in the process is to create a new drawing. You'll see an option labeled New, which prompts you to open a fresh canvas where you can design your artwork. This canvas allows you to design and create shapes, text boxes, and other graphical elements right within Google Docs. Now that you have your blank canvas open, it's time to add a text box, which is perfect for when you want to add text to your drawing. Look for the little icon that represents a text box and click on it. Then, click and drag on the canvas to define the size of your text box. Feel free to resize it as much as you need to fit your text appropriately. Once your text box is in place, click inside the box, and this is where you can go ahead and start typing your text. Whether it's a title, label, or description, make sure your text clearly enhances the content of your document. As you write, you can adjust the font size and style through the toolbar at the top to match the overall look and feel of your document. This customization feature allows for a consistent and professional appearance. After you've completed your drawing or added all the text needed, you'll want to ensure all your work is saved. To do this, simply click on the Save and Close button at the top right of the drawing window. This action saves your newly created drawing and automatically inserts it into your document at the current cursor location. There you have it. You've successfully inserted a drawing into your Google Doc. This addition can significantly enhance the engagement and visual appeal of your document. With practice, you'll soon find it easier to include all sorts of custom elements in your work.